Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, so glad you decided to stop by. I hope you'll stay because today I have a Fashionphile haul. I picked up some really good pieces at great prices, but one of the items was a total fail. Like what I thought I was getting versus what I got were two different things. So here they are. So I'll show you what I bought and I will show you what went wrong. The first thing that I bought was this Chanel caviar chevron quilted small cosmetic case in this really pretty turquoise color. And this is actually my first Chanel chevron piece. I don't have anything in chevron, and I was really happy to find this on Fashionphile for under $500 because I was looking for a little pouch and I couldn't find one for under like $600, maybe even $700. So the fact that I found this one for something was a steal, and I had to grab it. And this is in really good condition. The inside is clean, the outside is clean. There's no marks on it, doesn't even look dirty. So I am in love with this. And this is pretty much the same size as like a Louis Vuitton mini pochette. So if it's similar to that, then I know it'll fit a bunch of things, including cards, money, cosmetics, whatever. So cute. So this next item I was so excited about, and I couldn't wait till it got here. And when it got here and I opened it up, I just thought it was so beautiful. And then I took a look at it more closely and my excitement went down. So I picked up this Gucci messenger bag in the Tion print, and this is so beautiful with the beautiful artwork on it. The bird and just like the tropical theme of it. And I'm going to Hawaii next month, and I was so looking forward to bringing this. And I was looking for something that matched my Tion slides that I bought a few years ago, and that will look so adorable. But I discovered some issues that weren't listed in the description. So first of all, the strap drop listed on the website was 20 inches, and this is way more than 20 inches. Even when I adjusted it to this height, it's still more than 20 inches. And speaking of adjustable strap, this strap was impossible to adjust. I had to get out like a tool and kind of crank it up just to get it to this height. And then when I did, there were all these like black marks on the strap, and that definitely wasn't listed in the flaws on the description on the website. So this was listed in shows wear. And if you're familiar with Fashionphile's rating system, the bar was on the far end of shows wear, almost to excellent. So this is not in that type of condition, and the strap drop was misleading. On the details, it also listed that the strap was the red and green Gucci strap. I don't know if you're familiar with the red and green webbed Gucci strap that comes on some of their products, but it said that it had that, and this is actually brown. And I saw that on the website when I looked at the picture. I was like, this is a brown strap, but I didn't realize that it had the green and red strap listed. And so I think the measurements on the website, the 20-inch strap was for the green and red strap. Anyway, it's all very confusing. I would have kept this if not for the fact that this is very difficult to adjust. So you see that I'm like pulling with all my might and it's not moving, and these black marks on it. So unfortunately, this is a return. I contacted Fashionphile to see if my shipping could be waived because it's $14.99 to ship it back to them. And I don't think I should have to pay for shipping since there were things that weren't disclosed about this. If these things were listed on the website, on the description of the bag, I wouldn't have bought it. So I talked to someone, she told me to send it back and they'll look it over and to make a determination on if my shipping fee is waived. Hopefully that all works out, but I will definitely keep you updated about that. About one more thing from Fashionphile, and this isn't something that was on my wish list or even on my radar. I just saw it on the website one day when I was browsing, and it was such a good price that I couldn't pass it up. In a previous video, I think it was my video where I unboxed my Steven Sprouse Speedy 30, I mentioned that I was gonna start buying more vintage. So this is definitely a vintage bag. I think it's from 2005 time frame, I want to say. But I picked up this gorgeous Saint Laurent Muse bag. It's an oversized Muse bag, and it's in this beige crocodile embossed leather. Oh my god, I absolutely love this bag. It feels so soft and suede-ish, and it is just in great condition. The inside is clean, and I got it for such a good price. This is what the inside looks like, and it was such a good price. It was, I think, it was $400 for this beautiful Saint Laurent bag. I feel like the person who owned this barely even used it because it's in such great condition. So I feel like I really scored on this one. Even though this is a style that is not in fashion right now, who knows? It might be coming back into style because a lot of the early 2000 bags are coming back in style, so you never know. Oh, it even has feet. I feel like this is a timeless bag. Like the style of it, how it's kind of like this elongated bowling bag style. I think this will be in style for years to come. Okay, so that's my haul. I had some wins that I'm really happy about and one major disappointment. And I just want to say that I've been shopping at Fashionphile for years, and this is the first time that I've had this happen to me. So it won't stop me from making purchases in the future. But let me know in the comments, would you have kept the handbag or would you have sent it right back? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.